Another one. There was one. There we go. Oh, look at that. Come back for it. He come back for it. Told you. What is good, killers? I am back with another fishing video. We're gonna do some pond hopping today. We got the kayak loaded up, the rods rigged and ready to go. It is bright and early, the sun is shining, and I'm ready to go set a hook. So I'll pick y'all up when we get to the first pond. We have made it on the water. I actually used to fish out here all the time back when I was in middle school and high school. Me and my buddies, we used to come out here just about every day. There was some good sized fishing here back then. It's been a couple years since I've been back here, and I hope they're still in here like they were. There's one. There we go. Ouch. I've got to get some pliers. I keep throwing this thing with the treble hooks. It's a nice little one. Another one. Same spot. Number 2, first 5 minutes. There was one. That's number 3. That's gonna be in the grass. Oh, never mind. He was up there in the grass. Number 4. Number 4. Ain't been here 10 minutes. Oh. There's another one. Oh, careful. Man, them treble hooks are gonna get me. I don't blame you, buddy. I'd be mad too. Number 5. There's one. Got him. A little bit better one. There we go. It's a little chunk. Throw him on the snap. I think that's number 6. There we go. Man, I could do this all day. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, should have put him on the snap. There we go. Later, dude. There's one. Little guy. Hooked him in the back of the head. Bait's about big as he is. What you doing, cuz? I think that's number 8 though. Just had another one miss it. There he is, he come back. He come back. Whoa, take it easy. What's that, number 10? Number 9? I done lost count. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Come back for it. He come back for it. I told you. Little baby guy. Damn. What they always want to splash me for. There's one. Way out there. Ooh, a little bit better one. Oh, about jumped in the boat with me. Another one. There he is. Oh, he was feisty. He jumped out of the water to get that thing. Like 12, maybe. There's another one. Right after that cast. Easy. They ain't big, but we're catching them. There he is. Ooh. There's another one. Get back in there right fast. Come back and got it though. Wasn't even looking. Easy, buddy. There we go. Easy. There's a little guy. I think that's number 15 though. We're gonna hit 20 before we leave out of here. There's another one. Oh. There he is. He's gonna take me for a ride. Whoa. Just calm down. 17, we got 3 more to go. There he goes. Come back for it a 3rd time. 3rd time's a charm, baby. All right, we need 2 more. I got about 30 minutes left to fish. There we go. There we go. Stay on. Stay on. I touched him. He just come off. It's 19. I'm counting it. I went to grab his lip and the hook popped out. There we go. Number 20 right there, big 2-0. Been here what, 3 hours? Got here like 7 maybe. That's 20 fish, all on the TopWater. Little Yozuri popper. It's one of my favorite baits to throw right now. Let's go though, that feels so good. Wanted to knock out 20. Later. I'm getting out of here now. My legs are sunburnt. I'm hungry. I'm happy though. That is what you call a good morning of fishing right there. It's always a good feeling when you get out the water and your thumb feels like sandpaper. I know didn't really catch any big ones, but I'd rather go out and catch them like that than go out and get skunked. So I'm happy with that. I got some errands to go run around town, so I'm gonna go get that stuff taken care of, and I'm planning on going to another pond this afternoon, so I'll pick y'all up whenever I get back and get headed to the next spot. All right, you weirdos, we made it to the second pond. There's fish blowing up all around me. Still got the popper tied on. It's go time. We're on. Ooh. First one. We're on again. This is about to be fun. Number 2. There we go. There you go. There we go. Five. As soon as it hit the water. Next cast, as soon as it hit the water. He's a little guy. There we go. There's another one. That hook got me that time. That's what I've been waiting on all day. Next cast. Next cast. Ah, lost him. There was gonna be one on this side. Right there. Right there. All right, this cast for real. Told you. Told you. That boy come and got it. Man, I hate to tell you, but I am wearing them out. There he is. Alright, I'm having to kind of watch it because my GoPro is running out of battery, but I'm going to try to keep showing them as I catch them. There's another one. Calm down, calm down. There's another one. Okay, okay. It's a little bit better one. Add them to the list. Oh, look at that. Right in my leg. That's nice. Thank goodness that one in there bad. He's a little dude. It's Probably the smallest one I caught out here. There's another one for you. It's just one cast after another. I'm back in the spot where I caught that big one at last time, so maybe we'll get lucky again, who knows. Oh shoot. You can't get no better than this, man, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh, that hook is buried. Ooh. I don't even know if y'all can see anymore, but I'm still catching them. What a smackdown. I think I caught 40 to 50 fish throughout the day. I quit keeping count at the second pond. No big ones, unfortunately, but I still had a great time making this video. I could throw that TopWater all day long and never get tired of it. That's by far my favorite type of fishing. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. It's Mother's Day weekend, so tell your mother I miss her. I'll catch y'all on the flip.